Hello, my name is Brenna, and today I'll be teaching everyone how to make a course banner for Canvas in this tutorial. This is your homepage. On the top right-hand corner, click Create a Design. We recommend 1920 by 480 as a canvas size, but you can also search for Google Classroom Header to achieve the same dimensions. After selecting your dimensions, you will be brought to a new screen, which is your new canvas. On the left-hand side, you'll see a few options to choose from. Today, I'll be using templates, elements, and text. Upload is great if you have personal content you'd like to add. To create our course banners, I used a provided template. I am creating a banner for Introduction to Biology course. I will use elements to match the aesthetic of biology by simply searching the term. I don't think the font is fitting, so I can change the font type, size, and color. To delete elements, simply click on the element and hit the delete button on your keyboard. I've changed the background a couple times within the creative process, but essentially I dragged a photo onto the canvas, right-clicked it, and selected Replace as a background. To move the photo around, I double-clicked and dragged it until it was to my liking. Once my banner is complete, go to the top right-hand corner, click Share, and Download. On your course homepage, click the Edit button on the top right-hand corner. If you have a placeholder image or an old banner, delete it. Next, in the toolbar, select the image icon. Upload the banner you just created and add an alt text to the box below. Once you're content, click Submit and save your page. Keep an eye out for future workshops or contact certlab@unf.edu for personalized assistance in creating course banners. Thank you and have a great day.